An additional degree or credential is a goal that will open doors for you. But in our field, they don't think anything of you unless you can perform. I have a PhD, an MPH, bachelor, I have all of those kinds of things. But for my students, what really has made the difference in their assessment of me is the fact that I went to a C-section last night. So all of our faculty work in the hospital as well as they teach. My name's Jim Hulse. I'm one of the faculty in the online respiratory care program, and I teach international neonatology, critical care 2, and mechanical ventilation 3. And I do that with my students. We teach together.
I think the greatest advantage of classes online is the ability to continue working. I started my associates in respiratory therapy at OIT. My name's Sarah Woodman. I'm full-time faculty at Oregon Tech. I'm the Director of Clinical Education in the Respiratory Care program. And I'm also a respiratory therapist at Rogue Regional Medical Center.
Keeping people literally alive, saving people with our hands, that's who respiratory therapists are. And I'm proud to have been one for a number of years.
So they push you kind of beyond just the degree itself, but to get extra certifications within the field.
We want to create the best respiratory therapists imaginable. That's our goal here. And the people that come into our program have that goal. They're bettering themselves. And it's just a joy to be working with them.
They want to see you succeed both individually and professionally.
And we are making that transition to a bachelor's degree a pleasant one for everybody that comes our way.